Good afternoon, my friends. You're on ATSA channel. Today we are going to explore Redmi. You will learn how to use split screen on Redmi. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. If you want to use two apps at the same time, you need to do the following. Open these apps, then tap here, long tap on the app, select here, select this, then tap on other app. Good. You can swap these apps. Thanks for watching. I hope my video was useful for you. Don't forget to watch my other videos and like them. Wish you best. Bye bye.